Looking at code.org, CS Discoveries, Unit 3, Games and Animation. Today we're looking at Lesson 11, Level 7. And in this lesson, we're looking at a debug activity, but we're really looking at a fundamental piece of our draw loop that is going to help you moving forward. And so what you'll see here is we want the sprite to animate smoothly, and it has an after image and stops animating. So you can see that's what's happening when we run that program. It looks like it's stopping. So the first thing I did was flip over to my animation tab just to see what I'm working with, and it looks like here it's already animated. It's already moving within the image. And so when we come over here to the draw function, what's actually happening is it is continuing to draw, but they're showing up in the same place. So they're staying in the same spots. And so what's happening is we need to, when we do that draw function, draw a new background every time so that the new draw of the sprite will show up and it looks smoother instead of layering on top of each other. And so a simple debug fix for this is to go into your drawing and grab your background and put it in. And here we can just leave it white. And when we hit run, then that works, because now every time this loop is going, it's going to draw the sprite and it goes back to the top, and then it draws the background and then draws the sprite again. And because it's going so fast, it looks like it's moving instead of just layering all of the sprites on top of each other, which then we can no longer see the changes. Remember, the changes are what make things look like they're moving. And that is level 7.